welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love DIYs, decorating, tablescapes, vignettes, the whole lifestyle. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. So let's jump right into this DIY. I've started off with some fabric squares that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I love that nautical knot design. But I thought they were a little bit too plain and I didn't like the unfinished edge. So I'm starting off by cutting slits about ½ an inch from the outside edge and about ½ an inch between each slit. And then I go in with a simple crochet stitch and a chain in between. Go all the way around and I finish it off with some tassels in the four corners. And there it is. DIY number 1 completed. I create my tassels by wrapping the yarn around my hand 10 to 12 times. I then cut the yarn. I come back in and I tie a knot near the top, and that creates the top of the tassel. Then I come to the bottom and I cut open all the loops at the opposite end. And I hope I explained that well. Once I cut the loops, there's going to be some pieces that are uneven. So I come back in and I trim those all till even. So I hope you like how I embellished these plain fabric squares from the Dollar Tree and gave them a little pizzazz. Today I'm participating in the Nautical Open Challenge, hosted by Farm Charm Chic, Crafty Cove, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and their guest host, Our Gray House. Next up, for my second DIY, I am using these woven placemats and nautical rope in blue and white, both that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I am using the nautical rope to trim out the edge of these woven placemats to give it that nautical pizzazz. Quick and easy DIY, just how I like them. And just like that, our DIY is done. I love the way these came out, and I feel like it gave it a nice little nautical touch. Moving on to our third DIY, I picked up these silver napkin rings, and they had a kind of a washi tape put on with double-sided tape, and I wasn't really crazy about that look. So I peeled the washi tape away, and I'm using the leftover blue and white nautical rope to embellish these napkin rings. I hot glue it to the napkin rings, wrapping it around twice, and I finish it off with these cute little starfish I also got from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider becoming part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you will know when I upload a brand new video. I am living for these adorable starfish napkin rings, and I hope you like them too. Next up, for my final DIY, I am coming in with the bead chain. I had wooden beads on hand that I got from Amazon, and I'll make sure to link that in my description box below. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up some nautical themed laser cutouts, some letter tiles. They're like Scrabble pieces. And I gave everything a coat of folk art antique wax. And then I wiped them all down with a baby wipe. Next, I'm gonna drill holes with a very fine drill bit through the top and bottom of my letter tiles so I can string them onto my jute. After I string everything together, I use a little more jute to create a tassel on the opposite end of my bead chain. And that's it. Honey, another quick and easy DIY. I'd like to thank our hosts, Farm Charm Chic, Crafty Cove, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and Our Gray House for putting on yet another awesome collab. Thank you, ladies. Please make sure you stop by their channels and show them some love. A link to all of their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed my quick and easy tablescape DIYs. Easy to recreate and very budget friendly. So make sure you stay to the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope this gave you inspiration. Until next time.